on Amazon, there isn't such thing as a conversion rate. If you've ever looked in the back end of business reports, okay, it's actually called session order percentage, okay? And so the cool thing about session order percentage is that, normally, let's say I have a Shopify store. If I have 100 people come to my store, all right, and 30 people buy, and whatever amounts they buy, the way I'm going to look at it is, I have a 30% conversion rate, okay? The interesting thing on Amazon, though, is if I have 100 people come by, but each of them buy 3 units, okay, very interesting. I'm going to have a 90% conversion rate, or rather, what you call it is a session order percentage. And so Amazon's going to freak out because they're going, holy crap, people are buying so much of this stuff. They're buying, the average order value, the cart size is out of this world. What's going on? And so that's going to make it ranking for you much, much easier. So then we'll run $5 a day in Google Ads, sometimes forever, as Amazon loves Google traffic, okay? It's pretty crazy. I mean, we've seen this dramatically lower the cost of what we need to spend to build our audiences. When we're just pushing traffic through Google Ads, don't even spend a lot, but we're seeing that people are going onto Google, they're going for the keyword, they're clicking and going onto the product page, and that really pushes rank considerably. Then we'll use YouTube ads, if needed, straight to a conversion / a search find by video, okay, to make sure that we can actually get that traffic in. Amazon loves YouTube traffic. Now, we don't always use YouTube. It's only if we're having trouble pushing and the competition is really high for the search keyword that we're trying to go after. And then what we'll do is we'll push PPC manually for our desired keywords. And then this is Ninja as well. Shout out to Dan, you know who you are. Once on the bottom of page 1, we'll flick on auto. We won't use the auto campaign for PPC until we're on the bottom of page 1. We'll flick it on. Usually what that'll do is it'll actually just push us up like 5, 10, sometimes even 15 spots like that. Cool. And so obviously we need to associate the keywords to the sales that we're making with paid traffic, okay? What you're usually going to want to start off with is super links. The reason for this is you're usually not on page 2 or 3 when you're trying to rank for a keyword. So we'll use a super link. Pixelfy.me is a great tool to build these and pixel the traffic. If you guys don't know what pixeling the traffic means, it basically means I can tag that person who clicks on the link and I can remarket to them. I'll know exactly who clicked on that link. And so we usually use the Supreme 2.0. You can play around with it. Go ahead and get into Pixelfy.me. I'm also not an affiliate. But what this will do is it'll give you access to a whole suite of different links that you can use to rank. All right. Now, when you're close to page 2, I usually only use this when I'm on the bottom of page 1, maybe the top of page 2, is I'll begin using search find buys with YouTube ads or ManyChat sequences. Okay. Now, I know a lot of you, ManyChat's like over your head, that's why we're not talking about it today, but I really, really insist that you learn ManyChat as soon as possible and you learn as many platforms as you can to talk to your customers for free. All right, a lot of Amazon sellers are getting crushed right now because they thought, oh, okay, it's Amazon. Like, I just keep putting my product in shipping, I'm gonna make money forever, and now their businesses are gone. They're gone. All right, don't let that happen to you. The only way that you can maintain and leverage a long-term business for life is if you can talk to your customers for free, all right? And so again, we'll use search find by usually with YouTube video ads. It'll just be a screen recording of somebody typing in the keyword, scrolling through and finding the product, and then adding it to cart.